basically just a chocolate chip cookie, but then you bake it in a ramekin and it's all gooey and really delicious. And I think these are a really great dessert. I recently did a video on cocoa hodo pots. They are also delicious. They're very similar, except these are dough with chocolate versus batter with white chocolate. Anyways, you're going to first preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then you're going to take 6 ramekins and place them on a tray. If you don't have ramekins, you can't really make this dessert. So you should definitely get some ramekins if you don't already have them. First, you're going to combine 1 cup of flour with a half a teaspoon of baking soda and another half a teaspoon of salt. Then you're going to whisk that together and set it off to the side. Next, you're going to take an electric mixer and you're going to put in it 1 stick of softened butter along with 7 tablespoons of brown sugar. 7 tablespoons is the same as 1/4 cup plus 3 tablespoons, so that's what I'm going to do. The nice thing about brown sugar is you can see how many you've added and you never lose track. And then you're going to beat that on medium speed for about a minute until it starts to get a little creamy. Then you're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 egg. Then you're going to beat that for about another 30 seconds. It won't look like you're getting very far once you've finished beating in your eggs. It'll look really goopy. So you're going to just take it off your mixer and you're going to just take your spatula and get all the extra dough off of your paddle attachment. And then you're going to add in a little bit of your flour at a time and you're just going to fold it in, or basically take your spatula and just go in a circular motion without spinning it and then just like slap it down. But no, really slap it, be very gentle. And then just keep doing that until it's all combined. You don't want to be super aggressive with it because you want it to stay puffed up. Once you've added in your flour, you're going to take 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chips. I'm going to use these bittersweet chocolate chips just to give more of a rich flavor, though semi-sweet chocolate will work fine also. And then you're just going to stir in your chocolate chips. I like to use a big spoon and just scoop little balls of dough into each one and then try to make it as neat as possible. The hardest part of this dessert is probably just baking it, since you really don't want to overcook these, since the texture just won't be there and it just won't have the same experience overall as you eat them. They will not look done when they actually are done, so it's really important that you keep an eye on these, and they'll look raw. That's when you have to take them out. So you want to bake these for no more than 15 minutes. I'm probably going to bake them for 10 minutes to start, just to be safe, and then check them from there. We'll see you when your dessert is done. I've let this cook for about 13 minutes. You're going to take it out. It will not look done, it'll still look very gooey, but that's perfect. And then you can set it aside to cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once you've let your dessert cool, you're going to take one of your ramekins, put it on a plate, grab a spoon. This is also really good with vanilla ice cream, but we don't have any right now. And then you can eat it. This is a really great dessert, and it may seem like something that only a little kid would like, but I really like them because they're different and they're pretty easy, and they're one of my go-to desserts for just whipping something up quickly. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.